Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check Realme device activation date. To do this, you have to just go to your settings of your Realme phone, and in the bottom you will get this option about device. Click on it. Now here you will find another option called the status. Here you will get this two IME number here. So right now, as you can see here, I have IME1 and IME2. Right, so I will just copy this up, right? Click and hold, it will get copied. Now just go to your Chrome device here, Chrome browser, and here you have to search for Realme device activation and just hit enter. Now you will get this first option here, find activation time of your Realme smartphone. Click on it. Now click on accept, and here you will get an option and everything here, so you have to just wait. You have to just search for Realme time inquiry and you will see another option. Now you can just go and click on ime.info, and you can also visit this website, or you can just go to this warranty status here. Now just enter the IME number here. Now just go and click on check. So it will just take a few seconds to check it up. Now let's just activate. You have to fill up this captcha code, right? And here, as you can see here, all the information has been shown, right? So as you can see here, estimate warranty expiration date and everything, which phone I'm using it, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.